Where are bioluminescent fungi found? Tropical forests. What is a photophore? A light-producing organ. What is a dinoflagellate? A single-celled plankton. What is a major use of bioluminescence research? Medical imaging. What molecule commonly fuels bioluminescence? Luciferin. What enzyme enables bioluminescence? Luciferase. What could future bioluminescence applications include? Street lighting. What is luciferin? Light-emitting molecule. What color is common in marine bioluminescence? Blue. Which organism uses bioluminescence for camouflage? Vampire squid.